Hello, team. Hello, everyone. This is Joanna, account manager at the growth team, also handling similar markets, Kuwait, Saudi, Iraq, Egypt, and so on. So we're here today. I'm here today to talk a little bit about lead gen ads. So I know some of you have already started working on lead gen, so maybe we can dive deeper into the details and answer any of your questions. So I'm going to start with first talking about what is lead gen. Lead gen simply is an objective within Ads Manager. You have seen it, you have worked on it. It simply helps you drive sales and generate leads on TikTok. Okay, so the main objective is to encourage prospects to fill out this form and provide you with their contact details to show you that they are interested in your product or service, right? So what is the lead generation magic formula? It is efficient, it is customizable, and actionable. In simple words, efficient, what we mean by efficient is that we have this simple form that has all the details that we need. It can be pre-filled by information that are already stored on the application to accelerate the process. So it's going to be really fast, really easy, and really efficient. Customizable, we can definitely add whatever the colors of our brand, the images of our brand. It's customized the questions, the type of the questions, the info that we want to pull out of the users, what kind of landing page, do we want to direct them to a landing page, to an app store. We can work around all of this in very simple steps. And definitely for action, when we are able to either download the leads and save them or directly link the ads manager to our CRM to have this immediate activation. Okay. How does it happen? You have seen it, I guess, but definitely we can emphasize on how it's very simple. So the user is going to see the ad, it's going to see your video, it's going to see a call to action, and then he's going to click on it to trigger opening this form. Once this form is once this call to action is clicked, the form is instantly opened, and you have some of your info will be already pre-filled, and then you're going to submit whatever is remaining and click on the submit button to be redirected to a thank you page. On that thank you page, we are also able to customize and add a call to action, another call to action button, and a landing page, maybe redirect them to your website to know more, to do an actual conversion on the website, to get more details about the products and so on. We can either redirect them to an app store or the Play Store to download a certain application if that's something that is available. I just want to highlight one thing, that the average loading time is 9 times faster than a third-party landing page where we are redirecting people outside of the TikTok application. Cool? Okay, for the instant form setup, am I able to?
Yes,
yeah.
you're able to show that.
Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna, let's do it ourselves and see how easy it is. So I'm sharing my screen. Everyone is able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a demo campaign for lead gen. I'm not gonna go into the auction details, the setup, and the targeting. I think you already covered that yesterday with Farah. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it as broad as possible. And just to highlight, the optimization goal here is the lead form. Okay, and the setup of the lead form is done on the ad level. So first of all, you need to choose your creative or your video. You can choose the Spark ad, as Raya just explained. You can use it to leverage the creators or your Spark ads into driving the traffic on the lead form page. Or you can also create a dark ad and use it here, add your text message and your call to action. Once the user clicks on that call to action, he will be redirected to the instant form, which we will now create. So we're going to click here on create. We have two options. The first is advanced and the other is classic. So it's very obvious from the name that the advanced form will have more customizable features in terms of images, in terms of colors, of text, whatever you, the number of questions, whatever you are able to add to this form. And the classic form is a bit more basic. So what we suggest and highly recommend is to use the advanced form. Definitely for Saudi, we are always recommending to use the Arabic language because it will get us way higher conversions and way higher conversion rates. We have two options, more volume and higher intent. What's the difference between these two options? First, more volume, it will automatically optimize to get you a higher number of leads. And this is usually used for whenever we want to collect as many data about our clients as we can. For the higher intent, it's simply what differentiates it is that it has an additional layer to double verify the account, double verify the intent of the user. Okay, so we do recommend to go with more volume. As for the color, you can also customize the color. You can use it as customized if you have any specific color in mind. In Saudi specifically, we always recommend to go with a dark color as it got us great results in the past when we were testing this option. For the banner, let's create a simple lead form. Okay, I'm gonna upload a couple of pictures about burger pictures just to get you ready for lunch. So as you can see, the ads moving, the pictures moving. You will have multiple options. You can use this if you have like multiple features on a certain product that you want to highlight. You can have like different pictures with different simple words just to explain what are the features that you have on this product specifically. And you can also include only one image. We highly recommend to use multiple just to highlight everything that is important about this product and the key selling points of this product. Definitely, we recommend you have to use a logo. Okay, I'm gonna add a burger logo as well. Okay, and the display name. Display name can be the brand name. It can be the headline. Can also explain more about this product in specific, and the promotional slogan can be anything concerning the product. Maybe something specific. Maybe an offer. Let's say we can go like get your burger now. And here we can have like 20% off your first order. This can be customized, and you can see how it's showing on the preview of the lead form. Okay, this is concerning how the appearance of the lead gen. What we need to highlight here is that people should know the purpose of this lead form. So once they will fill it, what should they expect? They should expect a callback, maybe they should expect that you will contact them, you will email them. So we should indicate here the purpose of the form. So maybe we can put like a callback request. So people will know that once they fill in this form, they will hear back from the brand. Okay. Concerning the questions, you have multiple options. You have the short answer, where you can put a question. What is your name? And you can put it, and people will have to answer with a short answer. You can have multiple choice, where you can also customize it. Example for the location. You can put here Riyadh. You can put Jeddah. Okay, so you can customize it as you want, but definitely what to keep in mind. We have also personal information. We have the contact information from phone number to email, address, country, city, the user info from first name to last name, and the demographic, which is gender. These are presets. So you can add whatever you want using this category as well. What you need to keep in mind is that you need to try to get as much information as you can from this user in order to retarget him later on, to reach out to him, to make him to get to sell him the product. That's one. So you need his personal information, email, personal name, phone number, and mainly the location to know where he is based. And then we can include some of the questions concerning the product itself. So if he is showing us an interest in a certain product, maybe we can add a couple of questions concerning the product size, the product color, the product capacity, whatever. All of these questions concerning the product can also help us identify that this user falls under which category and is interested in which kind of products. Cool. In addition, we have the privacy policy. I'm sure you've heard about that. It's very important. It's crucial to include the privacy policy, or like we say it in Arabic, it's سياسة الخصوصية. Okay, so on your website, you need to have a link for that statement or هذا الإشعار للخصوصية to tell people the terms and conditions. It's very important because, or else the ad will get rejected, and we want to avoid that. So what you need to do is include the company name and the link from the website for that specific reason. Okay, this is very important, and you can see here how it's going to be shown. Okay. I want to add one more thing. We can also, to make it a little bit more appealing, كمان at the end of the lead gen, we can add a couple of images, we can add carousel, we can add whatever, just to make it even more appealing. So you can see here. So this is the lead form, this is شعار الخصوصية, and this at the end, it's going to be a picture. Okay, we have إرسال. So you submitted your details. All of the details requested, you have submitted them. You are redirected to the thank you page. We are still on the lead form. You can customize it as well. فينا نحط شكرا لردك، شكرا على تقديم المعلومات. Any kind of thank you message. We can put a little bit more description as well. Maybe we can put some contact details for us. يمكن فينا نحط any kind of details that we want to tell our users. وفينا to add the call to action. This call to action, as we said before, this will allow you to redirect your users to an external landing page. يعني to your website, to give them more details or give them more visibility on other products that you have. يمكن they didn't see it on the ad itself. Okay, definitely we can also redirect them to Play Store and App Store. I don't think this is our case for now, but definitely this is an option that we can explore later on. And once this is done, we're gonna complete, and you have your lead gen ready to collect some data for you guys.
Amazing.
Basically, that's it. If you guys have any question, well, I already